Hello, fellow traders, 'tis I, TheRumpledOne, coming to you on Friday, March the 31st, year 2019. Let's talk trading. Well, it's the weekly wrap up and it's the monthly wrap up. So let's take a look and see what price is done. Now, I know each and every one of you for the entire month of May practiced money and risk management, right? If anybody hasn't, please let me know. He probably won't, though. Speaking of that, down here at the bottom, please subscribe and click the bell so you know when I put out videos. And also, if you happen to be hooked up with Reddit, you've got an account there, please give me karma because my karma is negative and they're not allowing me to post. And it didn't take long. It took me, I think, 2 posts, and they pretty much cut me off. They gave me negative karma. Some people, I guess, are just really sensitive. So, anyway, for the week, all the gaps filled. Actually, we don't usually talk about monthly gaps because that would not necessarily be weekly gap, but maybe that's something we could look at. I hadn't even thought about that until just now. For the month, for the year, for the week, and for the day, euro yen is negative. Now, once again, clues open below the previous day's midpoint. Tried, made a little attempt going up. Not much of an attempt. About 4 pips, and then 3 or 4 pips, and then it went south. So once again, just using that midpoint as a bias, you can see what happens. Okay, opening day ranges for the week. You see we left that on Tuesday, never to return. You can see the first day of the year, low is here. First day of the month, low is there. So if we scrunch the chart in, actually, we can just, I believe we can switch over to daily, and it should show it a little bit clearer here. Make those candles just a tad bit bigger. You can see here's the month, or here's the year high. Here's the month, first day of the year, right here. You see here, boom, 355 pips. Now, if anybody held it that long, hats off to you. You can see here we escaped the first day of the year's range. Right here, we visited it a couple of times, only to drop even lower. And right here, first day of the week, on Tuesday, we then came crashing through again. And since we're having a red day, of course, showing here, first trading day of the month for the last 12 months. We're below them all. We're also below the last opening trading ranges for the first day of the month, first trading day of the month. We're below all of those. So once again, chart's just all red. Inside bar, we popped out. You can see here, once again, on the daily, below the range. But look, we've got some ranges above 100, and which is really interesting. The beast is only at 97. But you can see here, out of them, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them are yen pairs. So a lot of action on the yens today. Oh, let me mention something. A trader signaled to me last night um, that they were going to go long the pound yen. Well, as you know, I like trading the euro yen. Euro yen was down, and so was pound yen. So if you ever find yourself, say, on the wrong side of a trade, say you're long the euro yen and it's going against you, you can always look, say, at other yen pairs, see what they're doing, and possibly take trades on those. Especially if you can't hedge, you could short those while you're still long here to hedge that. Or if you find something that's moving the same way, when this starts going up, you can start scalping the other pair as it goes up, and then when it comes down, you can scalp in and out there and make back some of your losses. But that's only if your stops weren't hit. So the daily H1 highest open was here, and then you saw what happened. And here's the monthly H1 lowest open to put in last hour. It's just been a red month. On the pivots, you can see here, pivot was once again within the buy zone, so no bias using the pivots. We were below the weekly open. We had a short, and there you go. Rat zone trades, okay, you're a little late to the game here, but green rats just got fed. Once again, we missed that pivot. See here, we're at the monthly S3 on the pivots. That's pretty far away. As you can see here, these missed pivots didn't miss by much. Only 2 missed by more than 10. So you might want to consider the pivot trades. Look for these pivots to be taken out sometime next month. Price action, pro trade, 3 ball at the bottom, green at the line. And I'm going to show you something about price action in a moment too. Wick zone, in and out. Not much of a wick zone or distance between the two. Yesterday was almost a doji. My favorite trading screen, or one of them, just taking the motion of price at the line. You can see here the volatility at the tick level. Good for scalping, just a handful of pips or so. Now I want to show you something here. Oh, I know. Wait a minute. There was somebody asked me a question, or they wanted to see something here. They wanted to see what indicators were on this chart. The mid dot set to the pivot. The TRO 2016 multi-pair bars to go pivot indicator. This one right here. The missed pivots is this indicator here, and the missed pivots plot is this indicator here that actually plots the lines. So this one's donational, the rest of them are in the mother load or in the TRO build 1000 file. Okay, I'm going to show you a little trick here. We're on M1, but you can do this on any time frame, but with M1, in fact, let's change over to, I think, the pound yen because it was pretty volatile earlier. And I'd like to show you a little price action lesson here. Now, if you remember from the all you need to know about trading videos I've put out, and I've said it in a few others, that, when we get to price action, it's real simple. Price is either going to make a new high or new low compared to the previous bar, or it's going to reverse off those highs and lows. And so you see right here, price just made a new high. Now, this is the TRO HL5 indicator right here. And the settings are pretty much the default, with the exception only show not crisscrossed is true. And down here, I'm using 1440 bars, so that's the last day's worth or 24 hours worth of minutes. So you can see here, if you scrunch the chart, there's a lot that haven't been crisscrossed. But if you look here, you can see all these highs and lows, they got crisscrossed, meaning price went above then below, or went below then above. The price crisscross, so we take those off the screen. So now we can use this to determine which way is price moving. Well, it's taken out some highs, so it must be moving up. When price starts to take out lows, then price is moving down. So for those of you trying to or having a problem, struggle with determining price direction, that's just how it works. And like I said, this is on the M1 time frame. I thought I'd leave it up for a minute or two, and you can see the price action here. Let me just scrunch the chart so you get a little bit better view. So you see price is either going to go up here and take out this high, crisscross it, or it's going to reverse off of it. And that's just price action. Okay, it's going to either reverse or go right through. You can see the ask has already gone through. We've got the bid here waiting to push through. So you see here, we just opened a new bar. And so price is either going to go above 13, or it's going to go below 10, or it's going to stay right between them. And as you can see, price just crisscrossed below that line. So now we started a new bar. Which way is price moving? Is it going to move down, or is it going to move up? And it's moving down. So after price stops moving down and starts to move up, that's when you can start taking trades in that direction. So hopefully that gives you a little hint there on price action, and probably next week I'll come back and explain it some more. So, fellow traders, I hope you had a profitable May 2019. Let's all look forward to a profitable June 2019. And next week when we come back, just remember, it's not what you trade, it's how you trade it. And let's all drain the banks. Have a good weekend and be safe out there.